Next point is motion sensor. A motion sensor or motion detector helps of your security system because it detects when someone is in your home when they shouldn't be. Means motion sensor is connected to your security system, and if any unknown person detected in front of motion sensor, it alert the system, so you are more secure. A motion sensor uses one or multiple technologies to detect movement in the area. So instead of one sensor, there are multiple motion sensor installed in the home for the home security. When a sensor detects motions, it sends signal to your security system control panel, which connects to your monitoring center. So any unknown movement is detected by the sensor, then it sends the signal to the control panel, and control panel is connected to monitoring center, and monitoring center send you the alerts on the mobile. This alerts you and monitoring center to a potential threats in your home. Use of motion sensor. Motion sensor will alert you. It triggers the doorbell when someone is in front of your front door. It alerts you when kids enter in the restricted area like basement, workout home or medicine cabinet. Motion sensor saves the energy because when somebody crosses the particular area, the sensor will on the light, therefore it saves the energy. It notified you if the pets enter where they are not supposed to be. There are various types of motion sensor. First one is PIR sensor. PIR sensor detects heat or infrared energy by looking to the change in the temperature. We already seen the PIR sensor. It detects the infrared radiation of human body, and from that infrared it detects the person. When the most widely used motion sensor in the home system, when you arms your system, this activate the motion sensor to report possible threats. So PIR sensor is very common and mostly used. Once the sensor warm, it can detect heat and movement in the surrounding areas, creating a protective grid. If the moving object block too many grid zone and the infrared energy level changes rapidly, the sensor triggers an alarms. So PIR sensor detects the heat as well as movement and triggers the alarms. Next one is microwave sensor. Microwave sensor send a microwave signal, and that microwave signal incident and then reflected back from the person body, and that return signal is received by the microwave, and from that return microwave signal it detects the person. These types of sensor send out microwave pulses and measure the reflection of the moving objects. They cover an area larger than infrared sensor but are more expensive and vulnerable to electrical interference. Dual technology motion sensor. Some sensor can combine multiple detection methods in an attempt to reduce false alarms. For example, it is not uncommon for dual technology sensor to combine a passive infrared sensor with a microwave sensor. Sometimes one sensor is not sufficient, that's why more than one sensor is used. Contact sensor. Contact sensor is attached to the door when somebody enters the door or open the door, then the sensor triggers the system. Contact sensor are used a magnet to spot movement on the door or window. When the sensor and the corresponding magnet move apart as the door or window opens, the sensor triggers an alarm while security system is armed. Next one is image sensor. Image sensor looks like this. It consists of sensor chip, cover glass. It is in package and wire bond also seen from the upper side. An image an image sensor detects information that is used to make an image. It converts light wave into electrical signal. The electrical signal is converted into image. Image sensors are used in digital cameras, camera module, mobile, medical imaging equipments, night vision camera, thermal image device, etc. So see, image sensor is present in the digital camera. This image sensor takes the light wave and convert it into electrical signal. That electrical signal is then converted into image. So image sensor detects the information and converted it into image. There are various types of image sensor: CCD image sensor and CMOS image sensor. CCD image sensor, CCD means charge coupled device, and in electronics module which is capable to transport electronic charge. CCD stand for charge coupled device, and this sensor works on the principle of charge is coupled, means group of charges make, then it is transfer. That's why the name is charge coupled device. The CCD has some basic function like to charge conversion, charge collection, charge transfer, and charge into voltage conversion. See, after the lens in the camera, image sensor is used to detect the image. So firstly it takes the light from the shutter, then converts the light into charge, then transfer the charge, and then converts charge into voltage. Construction: CCD consists of many light sensitive areas called as pixel. So there are various pixels present on the CCD image sensor, and that pixel is nothing but picture element. Pixel is the smallest photosensitive component made up of semiconductor and capacitor. You can see here pixel is nothing but silicon sensor and a capacitor, and that group is called as pixel. The number of pixel forms an image. So pixel present on the image sensor is arranged in vertical and in horizontal manner, that is called as CCD matrix, and the group of pixel converted light into image. Horizontal and vertical shift register is used to shift the charge generated by the pixel. So every pixel take the light converted into charge, and that charge is sent to the shift register. This is vertical shift register. Then vertical shift register transfer the charge to the horizontal shift register, and horizontal shift register send this charge now to the amplifier. Then amplifier amplifies the signal and convert it into digital form by analog to digital converter. This is the principal diagram of the CCD image sensor. Working: when light falls on the pixel, then it generates the charge due to photoelectric effect for each pixel. Then charge is stored in the capacitor. See here, when the light from the shutter is incident on the pixel, then pixel has a semiconductor material. So the incident light separate out the tightly bound electrons from the semiconductor material. It is moved forward, and then it is reached to the capacitor, and then capacitor store the charges. The stored charge is transferred or shifted horizontal and vertical shift register. You can see when each pixel stores some charge, then that charge is transferred next by using shift register. Firstly vertical shift register, and then horizontal shift register. After the charge is transferred, then charge to voltage conversion is performed. Then the voltage signal is amplified and then converted into digital form by analog to digital converter. Then charge to voltage converted, amplified and converted into digital form. And digital form is nothing but image. Next one is CMOS image sensor. CMOS stand for complementary metal oxide semiconductor image sensor. So you can find more color from this image sensor. CMOS image sensor is made up of many pixels, just like CCD image sensor. This sensor also has pixel. Each pixel consists of photodiode and a CMOS transistor. So it consists of photodiode and a transistor. So when light is incident on the semiconductor material, it separates out the tightly bound electrons and reach to the transistor. Then transistor transfer the signal. Each pixel signal will be amplified individually. After transferred by the transistor to the next circuit, then it is amplified individually. Means every pixel has a charge to voltage conversion amplifier. Amplifier for each pixel removes the noise in the pixel signal. So every pixel is amplified, so noise is removed. After charge to voltage conversion and amplification, row and column select switches will select the data from the pixel and shifted to the output amplifier. Is connected to ADC. So charge is converted into voltage here, then it is transferred, then amplified and then converted into digital form. Digital form is converted into image. A two-dimensional array of photodetector is used to sense the incident light intensity. Here pixels are arranged in horizontal and vertical manner. So each pixel has photo detection. So it detects the light coming from the shutter. The light is sensed by the pixel. Pixels takes the light. The charge created by photodetector is converted to voltage signal. Pixel receives the photo light and converted into charge. That charge is converted into voltage by using charge to voltage conversion. Then the voltage signal passes to the output amplifier through array of row select and column select switches. So here for selecting each pixel, row and column select switches are present. By operating matrix of switches, the pixel can be accessed directly and sequentially. By using these switches, you can access the pixel one by one. The row and column select switches operated by using DSP processor. The switches operated by the processor in sequential manner. You can see here row and column are selected, so data from the pixel is transferred to the next circuitry. The ADC is used to digitize the amplified signal. So after the amplification, analog to digital conversion is performed and digital data is converted into image. तर बघा इथं आजच्या लेक्चरला आपण बघितले मोशन सेन्सर. तर मोशन सेन्सर ऍक्च्युअली मोशन डिटेक्ट करतो. हा तुमचे जर स्मार्ट होम असेल त्या होम मध्ये मोशन सेन्सर इन्स्टॉल केलेले असतात. कोणताही अननोन मुवमेंट, मग ती तुमच्या डोअरच्या समोर असेल किंवा होम मध्ये असेल, ती मुवमेंट मोशन सेन्सर डिटेक्ट करतो आणि ही जी मोशन आहे त्याचा जो सिग्नल आहे मोशन डिटेक्टरचा तो सिक्युरिटी सिस्टीमला पाठवला जातो. सिक्युरिटी सिस्टीम मधून मॅनेजमेंट सेंटरला पाठवला जातो आणि तिथून डिसिजन घेतला जातो तुम्हाला अलर्ट करण्याचा आणि तुम्हाला मोबाईलवरती अलर्ट मिळतो. वेगवेगळ्या टाईपचे मोशन सेन्सर आहेत. PIR सेन्सर आहे आणि मायक्रोवेव्ह सेन्सर आहे. तर PIR सेन्सर मध्ये इन्फ्रारेड रेडिएशन ह्युमन बॉडी डिटेक्ट करून पर्सनला आयडेंटिफाय केलं जातं. मायक्रोवेव्हमध्ये मायक्रोवेव्ह सिग्नल पाठवले जातात आणि ते परत मागे आले त्या वेव्हपासून डिटेक्ट केलं जातं की समोर कोणी पर्सन आहे का. त्याच्यानंतर एकापेक्षा जास्त टेक्नॉलॉजी पण मोशन सेन्सरमध्ये वापरली जाऊ शकते ॲक्युरेसी मिळवण्यासाठी. मोशन सेन्सर हे डोअरला पण अटॅच केलेले असतात. डोअर ओपन केलं की ते सेन्सर मुवमेंट डिटेक्ट करतात. इमेज सेन्सर बघा, कॅमेऱ्यामध्ये तुम्हाला इमेज सेन्सर दिसतं. तर इमेज सेन्सर लाईटचं कन्व्हर्जन हे इलेक्ट्रिकल आणि देन इलेक्ट्रिकलचं इमेजमध्ये करतो. तर कॅमेऱ्यामध्ये तुम्हाला दिसेल हा इमेज सेन्सर. दोन टाईपचे इमेज सेन्सर आहेत, CCD आणि CMOS. CCD हा चार्ज कपल डिव्हाइस आहे. तर हा लाईटचं कन्व्हर्जन चार्जेसमध्ये करतो आणि चार्जचं व्होल्टेजमध्ये व्होल्टेज ॲम्प्लिफिकेशन दे डिजिटल फॉर्म. तर याच्यामध्ये वेगवेगळ्या प्रोसेस होतात. पहिले लाईट टू चार्ज कन्व्हर्जन, देन चार्ज कलेक्शन, चार्ज ट्रान्सफर अँड चार्ज टू व्होल्टेज कन्व्हर्जन. अशा वेगवेगळ्या फेजेसमधून इमेज तयार होते. तर याच्यामध्ये मेन जो पार्ट आहे तो म्हणजे पिक्सेल. पिक्सेल हा एक स्मॉलेस्ट लाईट सेन्सिटिव्ह एरिया आहे. तर हा सेमीकंडक्टर आणि कपॅसिटर पासून बनतो. तर पिक्सेललाच पिक्चर एलिमेंट असं पण म्हणतात. पिक्सेलची अरेंजमेंट व्हर्टिकल आणि हॉरिझॉन्टल अशी केलेली असते आणि प्रत्येक पिक्सेलला शिफ्ट रेजिस्टर कनेक्टेड असतो. जो काही चार्ज कलेक्ट होईल पिक्सेलमध्ये तो शिफ्ट रेजिस्टरने पुढे ट्रान्सफर केला जातो. जेव्हा लाईट इन्सिडेंट होते सेमीकंडक्टर मटेरियलवरती शटरमधून, तेव्हा सेमीकंडक्टर मटेरियलचे जे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आहेत पुढे फॉरवर्ड होतात, एक्साइट होतात आणि कॅपॅसिटरवर जाऊन कलेक्ट होतात. कॅपॅसिटर स्टोअर झालेले जे चार्ज आहे ते शिफ्ट रेजिस्टरला ट्रान्सफर करतो आणि शिफ्ट रेजिस्टर ते पुढे शिफ्ट करण्याचं काम करतो व्हर्टिकल आणि हॉरिझॉन्टली शिफ्ट रेजिस्टरने. देन चार्जचं व्होल्टेज कन्व्हर्जन होतं, देन ॲम्प्लिफिकेशन आणि ॲम्प्लिफिकेशनचं डिजिटलमध्ये आणि डिजिटलची इमेज आपण बनवतो. CMOS इमेज सेन्सरमध्ये जास्त ॲक्युरेसी आपल्याला दिसते, नॉईज कमी दिसतो आणि जास्त कलर्स दिसतात. याच्यात पण पिक्सेल असतात. जे पिक्सेल आहे ते फोटोडायोड आणि CMOS ट्रान्झिस्टर यांचे मिळून बनवलेलं असतात पिक्सेल. जेव्हा लाईट इन्सिडेंट होते सेमीकंडक्टर मटेरियलवरती, तेव्हा त्याच्यातून जे टाईटली बाउंड इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आहेत ते सेपरेट आउट होतात आणि ट्रान्झिस्टरला पाठवले जातात. ट्रान्झिस्टर त्यांना पुढे ट्रान्सफर करतो. त्याच्यानंतर इंडिव्हिज्युअल स्टेजला चार्ज टू व्होल्टेज कन्व्हर्जन प्लस ॲम्प्लिफिकेशन होतं आणि ॲम्प्लिफिकेशनमुळं नॉईज जो आहे तो रिमूव्ह केला जातो. त्याच्यानंतर रो आणि कॉलम सिलेक्ट स्विच असतं त्याच्यामध्ये. तर हे DSP प्रोसेसर मॅनेज करतो, ऑपरेट करतो यांना आणि पर्टिक्युलर पिक्सेलचा जो डेटा आहे तो सिलेक्ट करून पुढे आउटपुट ॲम्प्लिफायरला ट्रान्सफर करतो. त्याच्यानंतर त्या सिग्नलचं डिजिटलमध्ये कन्व्हर्जन होतं आणि डिजिटलची इमेज तयार होते. ठीक आहे, थँक्यू.